You wake up tired. You plan your day. You still don't do the thing you promised yourself you would. And at some point, you start thinking, maybe I'm just lazy now. But what if that's not true? What if your brain is just exhausted and no one taught you how to notice it? Burnout doesn't always look like breakdowns or panic attacks. For a lot of high-achieving students, it looks like this. You still care. You still plan. You still want to improve. But starting feels heavy. Focusing feels forced. And resting doesn't actually recharge you. That's not laziness. That's a nervous system that's been on for too long. The problem is, no one calls this burnout, so you blame yourself instead. If you used to be disciplined, this feels confusing. You think, I used to be better than this. But high achievers are often the first to burn out because you self-pressure instead of stopping. You optimize instead of resting. You replace rest with productive recovery. Watching productivity videos feels like progress. Planning feels like control. But your brain never actually shuts off. Here's the dangerous loop. 1. You feel exhausted. 2. You assume you're lazy. 3. You push harder. 4. You get more tired. Self-blame doesn't motivate exhausted people. It drains them faster. You don't fix exhaustion with discipline. You fix it with clarity. Try this instead. The next time you don't feel like starting, don't ask, why am I like this? Ask, what has my brain been carrying lately? Deadlines, expectations, comparison, guilt. Focus doesn't disappear randomly. It leaves when the load is too heavy. This channel isn't about pushing harder. It's about rebuilding focus without breaking yourself. If this felt uncomfortably accurate, subscribe. In the next video, we'll talk about why high achievers lose focus first and how to reverse it calmly.